All right, guys. First thing, you walk in, got your bathroom. Check that out, check that out. Nice little shower there. All right, that'll do, that'll do. And looks like you got some closet space. Ooh, automatic light for the closet. Sweet. Got enough room in there. See the other side here. Got a safe. Now we got our room. Check it out. 2 double bed for the 4 of us. Okay. Nice size room for New York. The last time we were here, we were in a tiny little thing. Bed barely fit in the whole room. So, yeah, this is gonna work. Okay, looks like we got got your fridge down here. Open up, right? Coffee maker. Okay. Got a TV. Check. There you go. Life is good. All right. Got a little desk for me to do some video editing. Probably not. I'm gonna be pretty busy. Oh, nice little sofa here. Now let's check out the view. Let's check it out, guys. Let's see here. Okay. Not too bad. Oh, I can see Times Square over there. Yes. Times Square. All right. Got a lot of buildings here, but that's the way New York is. Not gonna have a perfect view, but definitely appreciate being able to see Times Square there. Nice.